Nestled along the Adriatic coast, Golden Cape Park, also known as Punta Corrente, is one of the most breathtaking natural retreats in Rovinj and a true gem of Istria. This lush forest park spans over 100 hectares and offers visitors the perfect escape to nature, with a mix of pine, cypress, and cedar trees filling the air with their refreshing scent. One of the highlights of Golden Cape is its rugged coastline dotted with secluded rocky beaches and crystal clear waters. These beaches are ideal for swimming, sunbathing, or simply taking in the peaceful scenery of the Adriatic Sea. The park's winding paths lead you through a mix of open meadows and shaded forest areas, perfect for a leisurely hike, a refreshing bike ride, or a quiet picnic with family and friends. Golden Cape Park is also a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. You'll find dedicated trails for cycling, running, and walking, as well as popular spots for rock climbing along the cliffs that edge the coast. Its dramatic limestone cliffs offering routes suitable for both beginners and experienced climbers. The coastal rock faces provide not only a thrilling climb, but also stunning views over the Adriatic, making it a truly unique climbing destination. For those who prefer a more relaxed experience, take a quiet walk to the Cape's tip, where you can enjoy stunning views of Rovinj's old town and the nearby islands. The park is open year-round, offering something unique in every season, whether it's wildflowers in spring, sun-dappled trails in summer, or the vivid colors of autumn. As the day winds down, head to the Rovinj's old town to witness a magical sunset over the sea, a perfect end to your day in Golden Cape Park. Subscribe to know more about Croatia